Target at the Hilldale Shopping Center in Madison. I've never seen a Target with this little atrium before, so this is the first. Anyways, we're gonna go ride the elevators. I believe these are 2011 Minnesota elevators. This one. 2. Door close does not work. Listen to this motor. Wow. Big jolt. Our cab view. This is just your basic stainless steel Target elevator. There's Big Brother over there. We might as well switch elevators on the second floor. There goes this one. Oh, we'll try and get this one up here. Here it is. Oh, sure. I bet there's room. We'll end it down on one. Hear the other one. These things are roaring beasts. Loud motors. Whoa, big jolt. This one's a bit darker than the other one, but plenty of light still. Sure is hot in these things though. We set it up, I wonder if you can hear the hydraulics from around here. Alright, listen. You can somewhat hear it, but still, they're decent elevators. But anyways, that will be it.